Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I show you how to draw an ice cream. This easy method is good for beginners. I remind you that the list of tools useful for drawing you can find in the info box. Let's start with the ice cream form. It's very simple and you only need to keep proportions. I use marker to make the picture more vivid, but you better use pencil. Draw a line at the center of the shape. Divide it on two equal parts. To do it, mark the straight on the pencil and move it down. The upper part we divide in two also. And mark off the same straight from the center. The width and height are equal. Draw a cycle. In the lower part of it, draw a line, connect the headings and the bottom, draw the triangle. This is the basis of our picture. Now we can add details. The ice cream scoop has not the perfect cycle form. That's why we slightly changed it. Oh, hi! Hello! Well, you know that Shirley checks everything. Okay, the ice cream melt on the bottom and beat. On the cone there is a texture. Let's draw it. And draw the cherry on top. Add some dots. This is chocolate flakes. Or imagine the chocolate above. You can do everything you want. I only show you some examples. Let's color our picture. Place the picture on the center of the sheet. Don't draw it too wide or small. I start from the cone. I use clean water. Now light beige and brown. Let the color spread itself. I just slightly move the brush. Wait several minutes for paint to dry. We will back to it later. Get onto ice cream. Fill the contour with a light yellow color. Add pink. With the thin brush, draw the stripes. It's not systematic way. Carefully add details. Add blue to pink and draw some dots. Paint out the cherry with a bright red color and pink. Get back to the cone. I draw the texture of the waffle. Carefully cover with the paint all the rhombic surface and dry out. Cover it with several layers. To make ice cream drops hide volume, I darken the bottom. Now I spray the paint with the brush on the ice cream for the picture to look alive. The cone. I add one more layer of the light beige color to make it more realistic. I use dry brush for this technique. This is the ice cream we've got. You can draw different shapes and use various colors. More practice and you will succeed. If you want to know how I draw all these ice creams, watch my time-lapse video. Thank you for attention and see you soon. Bye bye!